The Dove and the Hunter. In a peaceful forest, there lived a wise dove king named Chitragriva. He led his flock with kindness and wisdom. The doves spent their happy days flying among the trees. One day, a greedy hunter came to the forest. He spread a large net on the ground and scattered tasty grains on it. Then he hid behind a bush, waiting to catch some birds. The doves flew overhead and spotted the delicious grains. Despite Chitragriva's warning to be careful, the hungry doves swooped down. As soon as they landed, the net closed around them. They were trapped. The doves flapped their wings in panic. But wise Chitragriva remained calm. He spoke to his frightened flock. "Friends, do not panic. If we all pull in different directions, the net will hold us. But if we fly together as one, we can escape." At Chitragriva's signal, all the doves flapped their wings together at the exact same moment. Up, up, up they flew. The net rose into the air with all the doves beneath it. They were flying away with the entire net. The hunter jumped out from his hiding spot. He could not believe his eyes. He ran after the doves, shouting and waving his arms. But the doves flew higher and higher, far beyond his reach. Chitragriva led his flock to the home of his friend Hiranyaka, a kind mouse who lived in a cozy burrow. The mouse was surprised to see the doves still tangled in the net. "My friend, please help us," called Chitragriva. Hiranyaka began to gnaw through the ropes. He offered to free the king first, but Chitragriva insisted his friends be freed before him. Impressed by such a kind leader, Hiranyaka freed all the doves. They flew away happily, grateful for the power of unity and friendship. Moral: unity is strength. Together, even the weak can overcome great challenges.